Today in this video I show you how to use Sendit on Snapchat. To use Sendit on Snapchat, make sure your Sendit or Snapchat is up to date and then open your Sendit app. Now this app is used for performing Q&As on Snapchat, like ask me anything or any random questions. If you click on this, then you can type anything you want in this. You can also click on this dice icon to get random text like this, and if you want trending questions, then click on this fire icon. You can also change font like this, and if I go back, you can open this C games in which you will find Q&A games like this. You can select the game you want and click on this play. Now you will redirect to your Snapchat app. In this you can take the snap of it and then send this to your friends. So this is how you can use Sendit on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.